Did you really think Broadcom spent $61 billion on VMware to be your friend? No, they bought it to squeeze you, hard. Here's what happens after every Broadcom takeover. Costs cut, prices up, flexibility gone. VMware customers used to get decent discounts. Forget it. Now it's multi-year lock-ins, pay up front, and little room to negotiate. Broadcom's message is blunt. Pay more or find another platform. And they know ripping VMware out of your data center is a nightmare. They're betting you'll stay and swallow the pain. The result? CIOs are opening renewal quotes that are double or worse. Maintenance fees explode, budgets get wrecked, and loyalty counts for nothing. It feels like hostage pricing, and honestly, that's exactly what it is. So what do? Fight back. Before you sign, evaluate alternatives. Cloud migration, other virtualization tools, even partial exits. Even if you're not ready to move today, showing Broadcom you're exploring options changes the dynamic. Bring benchmarks, bring competitor quotes, and demand something in return. Support, innovation, better terms, and negotiate like you mean it. Broadcom counts on compliance. Give them resistance. Don't let them dictate your fate. They may own VMware, but they don't own your IT strategy. Make them earn your business or be ready to walk.